Today we are making chicken skewers with jalapeno sauce. Not only are these chicken skewers great for a quick weeknight dinner, but they also make a fantastic appetizer or party food. And the best part is you can marinate them and make the sauce ahead of time and cook them right before serving. Small to medium sized, although the ones we have today are kind of big, and typically they're green when unripe, turning red as they mature, such as salsas, guacamole, tacos, and in my case, morning omelets.